Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to set up the E99D MAX. We bought this from Temu. You get one battery with it. And we're going to open it up, find out. Thank you all for watching. I hope everyone's doing well. Okay, get your user manual, app guide. RC UFO is the application. Your 4 prop guards, a screwdriver, and 2 props total. 1 battery. It's 3.7 volt. 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp hours. Okay. 4-channel remote. Or more actually. You have all of these buttons. These are your trim adjustments, left and right, up or forward, backward. This is auto takeoff and land. Throttle over here. Spin right, spin left. Left sideward flight, right sideward flight, forward flight, and backward flight. Power button in the middle. Long press to turn on, long press to shut off. You have speed control. You have the light feature, or either headless mode over here, and then 360 flips. And one of them are camera functions. Take pictures or video, so probably short press and long press for videos. I believe it can look real quick. Your charge cable. It's a micro USB that plugs into the battery, then you'll plug it into your wall port, your 5-volt source, USB. Front arms first, back arms second. Okay, you want to place the battery in with the clip down. Press it in there securely. If you have a nice camera, you have to move it up or down before you take off. Just remember that. You do have a bottom facing camera. You have a front facing camera and a bottom facing camera, so you do have, I believe, optical flow, so it holds your altitude. Okay, let me show you how to connect this to the or actually let me get the 2 connected, get them paired. Okay, so it's long press the drone button. This is the light. It has the light version, or the lighted version, so each arm has light. Okay, then long press the control, the power on the control. Okay, you don't have to slide up or down on this one. It just auto binds. So now we're good to go. The 2 are paired. So if you want to take off, you would just push up on the motor or up on the throttle stick. You can stop it by pressing down on the throttle stick. Once you've started the motors by pushing up, you can use the auto takeoff button here. Just push that and it'll take off. And stop at a certain altitude, like just a few feet off the ground. Excuse me. Okay, you do have your phone holder here at the bottom. Just be careful. It's not real sturdy. but it'll do the job. I'm not going to put it in there. My phone's power button's in the way on this one. But anyway, the app is called RC UFO that we're using today here. Let me open this up. There it is, RC UFO. That was an ad. So you do have ads on it. Skip the ad and go to that. Okay, then you just want to go to your Wi-Fi setting. Open up your Wi-Fi. Alright, while I'm getting this set up, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a little demonstration on the flight. 1 second. I will take off. Just a little ride a little bit. Oh, too much. Let's get out of lane. Alright, cool. Back to the rest of the video. Okay, I'm back. We're going to open up the Wi-Fi settings, enter Wi-Fi UFO 472CC8, what mine says. Okay, we're going to connect to that Wi-Fi signal. And it's going to ask us if we want to stay connected because there's no internet. So we're going to select yes, so it doesn't disconnect us. Just hit that notification and select yes. Okay, now we can close that out. Go back to our app, and then we can press start. And we can see what the drone camera is saying now. And we're connected to the drone with our phone. Very cool. Okay. Let's switch to the bottom camera here in the app somehow. I'm going to have to put my glasses on. 1 second. I think it's going to be this one. Nope, that's picture. You can take pictures, videos. You have your files. There we go. I believe this is the one. Okay, now we're on the bottom camera. So you have a front facing camera and a bottom facing camera. So it's looking straight down at the ground when you're flying. So you get that aerial view. Okay, then just switch back. Just hit the camera with the spinny motion arrows. Okay. And you can reverse the screen there if you're having issues with that. Okay, go into settings. You can add music and touch up the video and pictures. Okay. There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.